Meaning of forced.
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 Forced. The term forced refers to something that is done against someone's will or as a result of external factors that compel action. When something is forced, it often leads to negative consequences, such as feelings of resentment or anger. In cases where people are forced to do something, there may be a lack of enthusiasm or cooperation, leading to poor performance or outcomes. Additionally, when individuals are forced to make a decision, it can result in stress and anxiety, potentially leading to poor judgment or regret. Overall, being forced to do something can lead to unfavorable results and negative emotions.